Yeah, that's some bighorn sheep that are cleaning my truck for me. Don't know why they decided to do this, but I don't mind.
Yeah, I was headed out fishing, but first I had to stop for a Bighorn Car Wash. And they were pretty enthusiastic about it. There was something caked to my truck that they were pretty excited about. Not sure what it was. Minerals, I suppose. And me getting out to walk among them didn't bother them at all.
I'm gonna get my truck now. Back it up, girls. Back it up. Young rams. Oh, you guys. Babies.
Well, that was fun. These sheep by Hailstone Butte really like to lick up the dirt. I was headed over to the Livingston River to do some fishing when I encountered these guys, which made a pretty fun start to what turned out to be kind of a stormy day. But the river looked really good, and the cutthroat trout, they were cooperating quite well. But it was pretty windy and casting was tough, and finally I broke off all my good flies. So I just took pictures. These are the wet homes of some aquatic insects. And that's a water thrush. You hear them a lot, but hardly see them. A white-crowned sparrow. The water over in Wilkinson Creek was running nice and clear, and the banks were lined with wildflowers. So I stayed over in the Livingston Valley and photographed until the weather finally got too mean. It was cold and raining. Didn't bother this guy, but it chased me away. But as I crested the summit heading back over to the prairie side of the mountains, I saw this. Cutthroat trout in a Bighorn Car Wash. And now, a rainbow. What a perfect way to end a day.